This quick guide will teach you how to turn on Face ID verification on Moomoo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use Face ID to securely access your Moomoo account, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. Let's get started. First, open the Moomoo app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet so that all settings can be updated smoothly. Once the app is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Me icon. Give that a tap. This will take you to your personal account dashboard, where you can manage various settings related to your account. Now that you're in your account dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. This is where we'll find the options we need to enable Face ID. By accessing Settings, you are diving deeper into the customization features that Moomoo offers, allowing you to tailor your app experience to your preferences. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Passwords and Security. This is a critical area where you can enhance the security of your account. Tap on it to proceed. Here, Moomoo offers various security features to protect your personal information and ensure that only you can access your account. Next, you'll want to select the verification option. It's important to know that this area is designed to help verify your identity whenever you log into the app. By using Face ID, you're choosing one of the most secure and convenient methods available. Once you're in the verification section, you'll see the option to turn on Face ID. Simply toggle this feature on. If this is your first time setting up Face ID on your device, you may be prompted to follow additional instructions. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. And there you have it. Face ID verification is now enabled on your Moomoo account. From now on, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is secured with biometric technology. This not only enhances security, but also speeds up the process of accessing your account, making it as easy as looking at your device. If you ever need to disable Face ID or tweak your security settings further, you can always return to the same settings menu to make adjustments. Remember, keeping your account secure is an ongoing process, and Moomoo offers these tools to help you stay protected effortlessly. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out other guides to make the most out of your Moomoo experience.